IVM.
I'm Zarina Poonawala, host of the Empowering Series podcast on the IVM network. I am your peak performance coach and leadership coach, and I'm here to share with you productivity tools, life-altering techniques, and real-life hacks to help you achieve your maximum potential in everything you do, in your relationships, professions, and most importantly, your life. So let's thrive, grow, and evolve together, one episode at a time. I have rivers, but no water. Forests, but no trees. Cities, but no buildings. What am I? Take a minute, think about it. I am a map. But why am I talking about maps? Here's the thing about maps, and listen to this one closely. The map is not the territory. What do you think that means? Does this hold any significance in your life? Does it mean anything at all? Let's try and understand this better. You walk into a party and you are socially awkward as a person. And when you walk in, you suddenly see this group of people who are laughing and giggling, and you're already feeling embarrassed and feeling judged. You think they're laughing at you. But you know what? They didn't even notice you. They were having their own moment going on there, and they were giggling about some inside joke which had nothing to do with you. They probably didn't even see you. How about this one? Imagine you have planned a holiday with your friends. You decided to, let's say, go to Paris or Spain, and now you've seen the place on a map. You know how it looks, and you know what to expect. You've gone off for your lovely holiday, and you see the real place. Literally nothing like the map itself. Absolutely different in reality. Isn't that true? When you visit a place, it's different from how you've seen it on the world map. And when you come back from this vacation, I meet you and I ask you and your friends, how was your trip? Now, although you were all there together and what you saw was all the same, yet your tales and experiences will be unique and distinct. Okay, let's take this example. How about using navigation or Google Maps? I'm sure most of us, in fact, all of us have used it at least once in our lifetimes, right? And we probably will be using it much more in the future. Now, when you're following those and you reach your destination or cross a bylane, how different is the actual street as compared to the map? In NLP, this is a significant presupposition, and it was coined by an American Polish philosopher, a scientist by the name of Alfred Korzybski. The map is not the territory. I love this part of my NLP training and learning, and I thought it would be a good time to share what it means, especially with all of you. It's absolutely amazing, and if you truly understand this, understanding yourself and others becomes so much easier. So what do I mean by this whole the map is not the territory? I simply mean that what we think the world is different from what the world really is. Our perception of the world is not in reality the world. The same goes for our perception of people and situations. It's only one way to look at it. However, it's not the only way to look at it. The way we perceive reality is very subjective to our own representation of the world, and that is our perception, not our reality. Take a moment, let that sink in. How we perceive a situation in our minds isn't necessarily the only way to understand it. There are more than one perceptions to every situation. We observe the world through our senses, and our senses, they are limited. They're limited to certain parameters and certain bandwidths. Also, with past experiences, we sort of tend to form some generalizations. We start deleting and distorting information to align with our own generalization of the reality we formed in our own minds. Now, I'm going to throw a tongue twister at you, so please pay attention. When we feel there is a problem, the problem is actually just an internal representation and not the real problem. And that, my friends, is a solution to most of your problems. Because problems aren't going anywhere, and that really isn't the issue. It's your attitude towards whatever life throws at you. It's how much you magnify a problem in your mind with preconceived notions, overthinking, and generalizations. So the next time you feel stressed, worried, anxious, burdened, angry, upset, challenged, pressurized, all you need to do is to ask yourself, is this problem a little part of my map, or is it the real territory? Is my problem really big, or am I exaggerating it? So while I leave you with this question, remember this: your life is not just a map, and the territories in your life are unexplored. So sometimes try and be open-minded and focus on the fact that there are more than one options, more than one ways, more than one perception of dealing with life, people, problems, and situations. Be safe, be well, be empowered. If you liked this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on our social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank our sponsors this week, thewholetruthfoods.com, PayPal, Cred, and SIAT. Thank you so much for working with us. We really appreciate it. First up this week, let me tell you about Cyrus Says. We featured popular YouTuber and actor Prajakta Kohli, who took us through a journey of content creation. We also had conversations with Vasanthi Hariprakash and Sachin Kalbag this week. Really great conversations. Do check those out. Vineet Kanabar goes solo this time on Storytellers and Storysellers as he talks about his favorite IPL ads and how brands have been making content around the Cricket League. On The Habit Coach, Ashton was joined by Arjun and Sumesh of the Fighting Goat podcast to talk about fitness for combat sports like the mixed martial arts. On Nankari, Sadaf and Archit discussed the diet and lifestyle of athletes with the host of the Millennial Athlete, Shok Ramchandra, who is also a pro badminton player and coach. Ambarana opens the 4th season of Know Your Kanun with a list of things he has planned on the show for us, including episodes on immigration law and on career prospects for law students. The IPL season's on and we've definitely got you covered. Tune into the Edges and Sledges podcast if you're looking for English, and if you're looking to listen to something in Hindi, definitely check out Khel Neeti. Both are great shows with great takes. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, struggling with too many obstacles, don't know where your life is headed? Well, if you are dealing with one or all of these, tune into the Positively Unlimited podcast, because in each episode, I share a life lesson, a life hack, a pro tip that can help you get your life back on track. All episodes are available on the IBM website, IBM Podcast app, or wherever it is that you get your podcasts from.